Introducing the Jollylook Instax Square film bag for the Mamiya RB67. Here's how to use it. First, mount the bag directly onto the camera body. Next, load your Instax Square film bag. Then, remove the dark slide, turn the knob to eject the protective film cover. Now focus on your subject. Compose your shot and press the shutter. Smoothly spin the development knob to extract your photo. In about 2 minutes, your image will fully develop. When you're done shooting, reinsert the dark slide to protect the remaining film. You can now remove the instant bag if you want. Shoot, develop, enjoy with Jollylook.